Leadership. All of us have the ability to be leaders. Everyone has the potential to become a leader. What makes a leader? The first and foremost is the vision. Leaders have dreams, and those dreams are beyond the self. There has never been a leader whose dream is concentrated on the self. So my great inspiration is the great Iqbal. Iqbal, in my opinion, was probably the greatest Muslim philosopher in the last 500 years. And he came up with this concept of a leader. He used the symbol of Shaheen, the eagle. And why did the eagle soar above everyone else, which is what makes a leader? Because the Shaheen, the eagle, broke away the chains that keep us grounded. So what stops us from achieving this great God-given potential are the various chains that make us tread the trodden path. So the Shaheen, the eagle, has great dreams. The difference is not talent, difference is not education. Difference is that a leader dreams what others are scared to dream of. Dream the impossible. And then that dream is, I repeat, is not based on the self. They always think bigger than themselves. It's either their nation, their society, and then they struggle to achieve that dream. Now, the quality that distinguishes leaders is their ability to take pressure.